Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Capricorns, what is July 2023 bringing for you? What special, what challenges, what gifts, what opportunities? Let us take a look at what July 2023 is bringing for you, Capricorns. We will first look at the general cards, and then we will look at every area in detail. The first card, Page of Pentacles. This is a month when you will stay practical, loyal, true to your mettle. This is also a month where you may tend to be a little careless with money. So you will need to take care of how you spend and what you do with your money, how you invest your money. You will see changes in your environment this month. These changes could be welcome changes, positive changes, changes that you have been wanting to have for a very long time. Also changes in terms of your financial status. So loads of changes coming for you, Capricorn. The Sun card. What a brilliant card. The Capricorn in any case is a zodiac ruled by Saturn, and it is the focus for Capricorn is work. It is achievement. And the Sun card, we are not talking about the zodiac or the astrological sun here, sun being the natural enemy of, even though it's the father of Saturn, enemy of Saturn. But here the Sun card represents successes, achievements, glories. It promises you your time in the light, in fame. It brings for you happiness and joy, fulfillment. So many brilliant things coming for you in July 2023. Also, the Sun card is good for women who are planning a pregnancy, families wanting to start, couples wanting to start a family, or anybody planning a baby. This is a fantastic time. You can hear the good news. And your last card is the Eight of Swords. Now, here what I see for you is quite a contradiction here. So, despite all these good things, in the month of July, you may experience negative thinking. You may feel as though you can't do too much, as though your hands are tied, as though it is beyond your control. Your circumstances, your situations are beyond your control. So I see a mix and a blend of things here. In fact, diametrically opposite things here. Let's see what kind of mind frame, mood you will be in, and how you will be dealing with your life with a sense of trust. What a beautiful card. You will deal with life in July 2023. You will approach life with the trust of a child, with the surrender of a child, which is fantastic. One more card for you. This one wants to say something existence. So you are feeling great, you're in a good mood, and you are being able to associate with things around you. You're feeling one with everything around you. Now I want to look at what should you focus on in July, and the card that you've pulled up is the Philosopher's Stone. Powerful manifestation of wishes and goals by harnessing universal energy. Look at the cards. Existence and trust. You are willing to trust the universe to fulfill everything, and it is fulfilling everything. Let go of the negative thought. You are manifesting your wishes, your goals, everything because you trust in the universal energies. So, Capricorn, no time for negative thought there. Let us look at some more positive messages for you from the universe. If you don't release the arrow, your aim is all for nothing. Aim straight and shoot the arrow. You have prepared. Things are set for you. The stage is set for you. Release. This card seems to want to say something. Okay, now this is interesting. This card, Mountain Lion card, it says, stock is my pursuit, both honorable and focused. I definitely see the focus here. Make sure that anything that you pursue is also honorable. It is ethical, it is correct. The cards are asking you to think that whatever you do, it should be ethically and morally aligned to your character. Capricorn, this is your general spread. Let us take a look at what each area of your life holds for you. Let us get a little more into detail and explore every area of your life. Your first card, Capricorn, is the Lover's card. Oh wow, this is a beautiful card to come up as the first card for you, because this card says that in this coming time period, the world will be able to connect with you at a very deep level. People will feel that connection, the love. They will feel that you care, that you are willing to and ready to embrace them. They will come to you like, even if it's a beast in front of you, they will just come to you like a tame animal and just cuddle into you. So the first card here is telling us that you are coming across as a charismatic personality in this month. Okay, this card wants to say something. The Empress card. Fantastic time for growing your finances, fantastic time for relationship with your family and relatives. Also, already the Lover's card here and the Empress card here. Half the battle won. So you will communicate in a manner that is really loving and caring. No wonder people will get attracted to you. This card also wants to say something. Three of Swords. Okay, now your challenging card here. So the Three of Swords over here is telling us that you may find it difficult to put in that extra effort in whatever you do. Also, Something that your younger siblings, your younger brother or sister say may hurt you, or there may be some miscommunication between you guys. Also, not showing a good time for people in the media industry, people in the creative industry. You may try things, but they may not turn out as expected unless and until your theme, for example, if artists are choosing to uh, draw around, paint around, sculpt around, or set music around pain as a theme, then it'll be a great month for you. The Magician card, fantastic card for property purchases, land deals, buying anything, making your life very comfortable. Also, you will experience full support from your mother. You will feel the relationship growing into something fantastic. Your fifth card will be this one, Ten of Coins. You will enjoy the company of your uh, children. Also a great time, which we already saw, a great time for uh, expanding your family, planning a baby. For people who are engaged in a relationship, you may actually take it on to the next level and plan out a family with them. And your next card, Ace of Wands. Okay. Fantastic time for those who are appearing for competitive examinations. You will crack the exam. It is already a great time for students. They will experience family support, they will be able to study well, but when it comes to cracking a competitive exam or any kind of a competition for that matter, whether it's an interview or any such thing, it's a fantastic month. Even for job, for getting new job opportunities, getting new interview calls, this is a fantastic month. Let us shuffle the cards once. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. You will feel that your marriage is now coming to that stage which you had been wanting it to come to. This card shows a time of fulfillment and enjoyment with your spouse. Also, I see a fantastic time in terms of business deals. Okay, the Knight of Coins wants to say something to us. Oh God, the Ace of Swords also wants to say something to us. So let us take these cards. Next card, Knight of Coins. People who are into any kind of research, deep research studies, you will really put in that hard work, that focus, that determination, and slowly but steadily and surely you will reach your goals. Your next card is the Sun card. Brilliant, because we had the Sun card earlier also, and we have the Sun card here now. So I see that one of the very major support system for you will be your father this month, Capricorn. You will enjoy the full support of your father. You will also enjoy full support of all your superiors, your bosses. Religion will be in your favor. You will do dharmic karya, which means you will work as per the ethical things. Good luck, very good luck is shown here. Ace of Swords, first the Sun card and the Ace of Swords. Successes, uh, promotions, gains in terms of career, standing for what you believe in terms of career. All of these are reflected. Fantastic time at work, fantastic time in terms of job and career. You will definitely be focusing on your actions here and doing actions which are in alignment with your belief systems and the truth. Two of Coins. Okay, some delay in terms of any unexpected gains or any financial things that you were, other than your income. Also, some delay in terms of interacting with your friends, or maybe there is too much of interaction to be done with your friends and you just somehow manage your time between them. And your last card is the Death card. Okay, you really need to be a little careful about your health here with this card. Okay. However, it is a good card for anybody who is, overspending. You will be able to put a stop to your overspending. Anybody who's into litigations, any kind of lawsuits, you will be able to, this card will bring an end to those lawsuits. If you have been feeling isolated, feeling dejected, rejected, alone, then this card will bring an end to that also. So, Capricorns, this is what your month, July 2023, is looking like. Have a lovely time ahead. To take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.